In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a limit order confidently and understand what it does for you. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you're willing to buy or sell at. Unlike a market order, which fills immediately at the current price, a limit order waits until the market reaches your chosen price, helping you control your entry or exit. Start by opening eToro on your device. Head to the page of the stock or crypto you want to trade and select Trade. This brings up the order window where you'll set up the details. You'll see a section called Order Type. By default, it's usually set to market, which means the order would execute right away at the best available price. Change that from market to limit so you can specify the price you want. Now enter your limit price. For a buy, this is the maximum price you're comfortable paying. The order will only trigger if the market drops to that price or better. For a sell, this is the minimum price you're willing to accept. It will trigger only if the market rises to that level or higher. Take a moment to verify you're on buy or sell as intended, and type in the exact price that matches your plan. Next, enter the amount you want to buy or sell. This is simply how much of the asset or how much money you want to allocate, depending on how the input is displayed. Make sure the amount reflects your risk tolerance and stays within your available balance. If you're managing a budget, double-check the figure before proceeding. When everything looks correct, order type set to limit, your chosen limit price entered, and the amount confirmed, click Set, Order, or Open Trade. Your limit order is now placed. It won't execute immediately unless the current price already meets your limit. Instead, it will sit pending and automatically fill if and when the market hits your price, or better. If the price never reaches your level, the order simply remains pending without filling. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Review the price and amount once more to avoid simple typos. Remember that limit orders prioritize price over speed. And keep in mind that spreads and fast market moves can affect how quickly your order is filled. That's it. Now you know how to set a limit order on eToro with confidence.